Hello everyone. For the exit presentation, we have taken up the project called Data Accessing and Sharing Application. In this application, we can share or access any type of data with the nearby devices without any usage of internet connection. Or we can access any large data, or we can access every single data of two or more multiple devices at a time. Maybe the devices may differ, or the devices may be the same, but it works with two different devices and two same devices. In the figure user, this is the user interface design of the application, the home page. It has two buttons, one is send and another is received. When when the sender is wants to give the access or wants to send the data from one user to other, he clicks on the send button and he gets directed to this page, and he gets his IP address and checking his Wi-Fi status enabled and hotspot is enabled. And when he wants to start the data sharing, he clicks on the start button. A QR code is automatically generated with the details hidden in it, like the server URL and password. If the receiver wants to scan the if you want to get the access of the data, either wants to take the server URL and password, or he can scan the QR code. We can copy the server URL directly and we can share it to the receiver. And for the receiver part, when he clicks on the receive, he redirects to this page, and he can fill the source URL and password. And when the sender sends these details and he clicks on the receive button, he gets all the data of the complete data of the sender, and he can access every single data. He can either delete the data or access the data, or make changes in the data. He can add a folder, new folder. He can delete the folder. He can give the sender can give the complete authentication to the receiver for accessing any type of data. He can duplicate it, he can transfer the data with no time, and if he needs to add a new folders, he can add the new folders in it. It can be done by like so. And it completely depends on the sender's input, like if the ports are given correctly and he gives the authentication that these receivers can access the data. When he's sure about that, the sender can automatically take the capacity of taking the charge on the data or accessing the data. And in case of with knowing or entering the details of the URL or the password, we can use the scanner part. If we click on the scanner above the sender and receiver home page, we have a scan. We can open the scanner and we can scan it, and it redirects to this. It tries to connect and redirects to this page of folders. He can the receiver can access every single folder, like even a small folder to the largest files. He can move, he can delete, he can share, he can see, and everything he can done. And the privacy levels and security levels are very strict in way such that the sender and receiver can have only the access. Nobody can have the access. And if one of the file is deleted in an by mistake, or any unwanted data is deleted, or any useful data is deleted by mistaken, we can recover the data from the database or from the application install. A small storage can be available for the in the application to get back all the data of recently deleted, and for deleting it permanently it has the access to the both the sender and the receiver. For deleting it completely, only the sender has the access to delete. And this is the how the interface of scanner looks. It scans and redirects to this page. That's the details of the project. Thank you.